I'm Ebony and I'm here to show you how to add greenery to your room with indoor plants. I'm going to talk you through some plants that are really beneficial for your health and also look great in the bedroom. Let's start with the Boston Fern. This plant's really great for acting as a natural air humidifier. It helps to improve the quality of air while you sleep, and it restores moisture to the air naturally. The Boston Fern's actually a really tough fern. This next plant is a string of pearls. They belong in the succulent family. Like most succulents, they don't require a lot of TLC, so if you're going on holidays, you're sweet. A well-established string of pearls can produce tiny white flowers with brightly coloured stamens. This is a rubber plant. It's a hardy, low-maintenance plant that looks stunning in any room. It grows quite large, as you can see, and has big, beautiful foliage. A little tip, if you've got one of these guys, is to wipe down the foliage with a wet cloth to get the dust off. In summer, the plant should be kept moist. During the cooler seasons, your plant may only require watering once or twice a month. This particular plant is my favourite. It's called a devil's ivy, and I particularly like it because of the variegated foliage, which means that it's got a couple of different colours within it. Not only does this plant look beautiful, but it also improves the air quality, allowing you to have a better night's sleep. Because of the hardiness and low maintenance, it's a popular choice for beginner gardeners. With the peace lily, you've got the best of both worlds. All year round, you've got this beautiful green foliage. The peace lily grows best in bright, indirect light. Do not allow the plant to dry out. It's great to use liquid fertiliser on a regular basis. The peace lily, making your bedroom peaceful. Make sure you do your research before buying indoor plants. Some plants are actually toxic if consumed, so be mindful if you've got young children or pets. Plants are great in the bedroom because not only do they look nice, but they also help you get a great night's sleep.